सोशल साइंस विद समीर सर। 9वीं क्लास इकोनॉमिक्स यानी अर्थशास्त्र। 9वीं क्लास में हमें अर्थशास्त्र सिखाने के लिए पालमपुर नाम के गांव का उदाहरण देकर पढ़ाया जाता है, जहां सिखाते हैं कि किसी भी वस्तु या प्रोडक्ट को उत्पादित करने के लिए किन चीजों का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। आज हम सोशल साइंस की क्लास में सीखेंगे फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन। समीर सर से।
Student, today we will take a chapter in economics called the story of village Palampur for class 9th. Palampur, it is an imaginary village, but from this story we will try to understand the various factors of production. Now when I mean factors of production, mostly we think about the production which goes on in industries and factories, but here we will study about the agricultural production. Now, for any kind of production, you require 4 major factors or 4 major things. The first factor is land. Land, it is fixed, you cannot increase. Second, land and other natural resources like water, like mineral, all these are important and which are the free gift of nature, or you may say God has given this to us. This is the first factor of production. Now suppose if you are having a land and if you want to grow some crop, then you require labor. Labor is the another or the second factor of production. Now laborers, these are of 2 types. Labor means what? The people who are ready to work are called labor, or who do work are called laborers. Laborers are of 2 types, skilled and unskilled. Skilled means those who are having some type of training. They are called skilled people, skilled labor. And unskilled are opposite of that. Educated and manual, this is the second type of laborers which are there. Then the third factor of production, if you are having land, you are having laborers, but you need money to start agricultural production. That is called capital. Capital, or it is called the physical capital. Physical capital means the variety of inputs which you required during production. This is called a capital. But you can divide this capital or classify this capital into 2 types. One is called the fixed capital, another is called the working capital. For example, building, right? It is a fixed capital because once you build the building, then you use it for many years. Tools, many agricultural implements, these are there which we use continuously for many years. This is called the fixed capital. Now working capital is just opposite of fixed capital. Money in hand means, for example, if a farmer grow any crops, he has to pay wages to the laborers. So this is called money in hand. Then along with that you require certain raw material. For example, in cotton industry say, cotton will be the raw material. Or if a farmers grow crop, then seed will be the raw material. So all this raw material, money in hand, this is called working capital. So we have physical capital. Physical capital means all the inputs which are required during production is called physical capital. There are 2 types of it. One is called fixed capital and another is called working capital. Now let me tell you one more important thing, which is the last one. So suppose if you are having a land, then laborers are also available with you. And even if you are having fixed as well as what you call it, the working capital also. But you require someone knowledge, you require skill, you require enterprises to put all these things together, and that is what you called the human capital. Human capital means the knowledge and the enterprises which require to put all this thing together. In this way, we have 4 factors of production. No doubt, we are having a separate chapter on human capital or human resources afterward, so I will not give much explanation about it. So, here we are having 4 factors of production: land, labor, physical capital, and what you call it, human capital.